Fact 1. Spiders are renowned for their ability to produce silk and craft intricate webs, a talent that's truly captivating. Fact 2. Spiders are exceptional hunters, using their webs as traps and their venom to paralyze or kill their prey. Fact 3. Spiders play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems by controlling insect populations. Indeed, spiders are nature's marvels, demonstrating unique skills and contributing significantly to biodiversity. So next time you see a spider, remember these fascinating facts and respect the incredible world of spiders.